Hello, green thumbs and design lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for all things beautiful outside the home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever stepped out into your backyard and felt like something was missing? Maybe it looks beautiful, but it just doesn't feel like the peaceful escape you deserve. Today, we are diving into a design element that completely transforms any ordinary outdoor space: the backyard garden with a water feature. Whether you have a sprawling lawn or a cozy, compact courtyard, adding the element of water can elevate your home's exterior from simple landscaping to a high-end, therapeutic sanctuary. A backyard garden with a water feature is a thoughtfully designed outdoor space that integrates natural plant life with moving or still water elements, such as fountains, ponds, streams, or minimalist waterfalls. But why should you choose to bring this element into your own home? The reasons extend far beyond just looking pretty. First and foremost, water introduces a sensory experience that plants alone cannot provide. The sound of running water naturally masks unwanted neighborhood noise, turning your backyard into a quiet retreat. Furthermore, water features attract local wildlife like birds and butterflies, boosting your garden's natural ecosystem. It also serves as a stunning visual anchor or centerpiece, instantly making your outdoor space feel more luxurious, well-planned, and valuable. Water features add a special quality to your outdoor space. Rippling water and soft sprays make your backyard seem cooler, while giving it a calming feel. Size does not matter. A small bubbler or fountain on a patio can have just as much effect as a pond or stream on a large property. Whether your garden is rustic naturalistic, modern and austere, or rather whimsical, here are 15 ideas for backyard water features that match a wide range of styles. One. Wooden barrel water garden. Add some farmhouse chic to your landscape with this simple backyard water feature. A wooden half barrel pairs well with a weathered water pump as a fountain. If you'd like to add floating plants, choose small ones such as water lettuce, Pistia stratiides. 2. Natural stone waterfall. A water feature doesn't have to be a flashy embellishment in the center of your garden. A fountain with an organic look, such as this one made from natural stone, easily blends in with other outdoor elements. Install it near an outdoor seating area to get the most enjoyment out of it. 3. Symmetrical sleek garden pool. A narrow pool of water adds a bold element to any landscape. Here, the mostly monochromatic color scheme complements the sleek style of the water feature. Line the pool with repeating clusters of plants such as low-growing evergreens, sedges, and hostas to create a relaxing symmetrical spectacle. 4. Romantic wall water feature. Situate a vintage bistro or patio set near an inlaid wall water feature to create a cozy garden nook. Add plants around the fountain that take advantage of the vertical space and make a more inviting scene. It's the perfect spot to relax with the sounds of splashing water. 5. Fountain with artistic sculptures. Figurines and other sculptures help set the mood of a formal garden design. As part of an outdoor garden fountain, they become focal points in the landscape. 6. Cascading waterfall. If traditional fountains aren't your thing, get back to nature. This cascading waterfall, created with large stones, mimics what you might find in the wild. Complete the naturalistic look by adding native plants around this rugged water feature. 7. Waterfall on a slope. If your yard has a natural slope, use it to your advantage. A hillside is the perfect place for adding a waterfall that trickles into a pond. Here, a dense mix of shade-loving plants and a small seating area complete this water feature. 8. Non-traditional pond shapes. If you would like to create something unexpected, Break the mold with unique shapes or water sources like this shallow half-circle pond. It offers wildlife a source of water, while also providing the soothing sounds of splashing water. 9. Mixed materials. Gardens are full of natural elements that can be used to create evocative decor. For example, this small backyard water feature combines several items found in nature: a carved stone basin and a bamboo spigot, accented with weathered wood and smooth rocks. 10. Bird bath. If you're looking for something simple and low maintenance, a bird bath is an easy pick. Attract tons of birds, plus butterflies and other pollinators, by planting seedy flowers and native species nearby. Make sure to situate your bird bath where you watch your winged visitors. 11. Mini house by the lake. To upgrade your pond, add a covered outdoor seating area next to provide a peaceful, welcoming setting. Alternately, a stylish garden shed next to the pond could resemble a miniature lake house while also creating a handy place to stash tools and gear. 12. Lush water garden. Expand your repertoire of plants in your yard with a water garden. The beautiful blooms and fun foliage of aquatic plants will be a focal point. Use a tub or a pond as the foundation, which are easily adapted to your taste. 13. Small but colorful water features. For small backyards and patios, a simple garden water feature can still be eye-catching. This glazed ceramic dish and bowl hold just enough water to let sunlight glint off the surface. A glass ball in the basin offers a safe perch for insects and other wildlife that stop by for a drink. 14. Walkway water feature. Placing your backyard water feature next to a path or steps makes it easy to admire it whenever you pass by. Here, a small waterfall trickles into a shallow pool. It's the perfect environment for a few potted plants, such as papyrus and canna that thrive in constant moisture. 15. Large fountain with intricate details. Special details add visual interest to a big, bold water feature. For example, a closer look at this fountain reveals delicate patterns around the simple faucet that can be admired from the nearby seating area. Integrating a water element into your backyard design is truly one of the best investments you can make for your home and your peace of mind. From the gentle trickle of a modern tabletop fountain to the dramatic sweep of a stone waterfall, there is a style out there that perfectly fits your personal taste and your landscape's layout. You don't need a massive budget or a palace-sized yard to make this dream a reality, just a little inspiration and the right planning. If you enjoyed seeing these incredible garden transformations today, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs so you never miss our weekly outdoor inspiration. Which water feature style was your absolute favorite? Let us know in the comments section down below. We love reading your ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.